guys, it's Gina. I am super excited to tell you all about my new NEEWER 300B white light. Hang tight, let's go over all the details. Let's open it up and take a look. Right away, you see here, they do have zipper pouch. It looks like the probably directions are inside here, as well as it looks like a little cover for the light. So inside here, we have power cord, of course, a shoulder strap for the bag, and the good stuff. Now, here is the light itself. This to me is the magic. First of all, just know this is a very heavy piece of equipment. Okay, this is not a standard light. To me, this is an investment. I want to go ahead and pull it out of the bag, and I'm going to put it together up on my tripod, and we're going to take a look. Inside, you'll also find the deflector is here. I'm not going to use this because I am going to put a softbox dome over the top of the light, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this in the package. Right on the top, there is this little blue you need to slide back, and that'll allow you to pop the cover off. So I'm going to take this over to my tripod and let's put it on. You will see right here at the bottom there is a bracket. I'm going to go ahead and crank open this a little bit. This knob, loosening this up a little bit, is going to allow me to maneuver this so that it moves. Will allow me to put it right here and onto my tripod. So I'm going to tighten this down really good because we want to make sure, again, this light is very heavy. This is not anything that you want to have falling off your tripod. You want to make sure this is tight and secure so that there's no question about whether or not it is stable. This is what it looks like sitting up on my tripod. Again, if you notice, I took the cover off the front. That is mandatory. Before you fire this up, you got to make sure that your cover is off. So I'm going to go ahead and take the power cord, and I'm going to plug the power cord in here. And then we are going to fire this up and see how it looks. Okay, with the other lights turned off, keep in mind it is not dark outside yet. As you can see, there's a little bit of light filtering in through the windows. But I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light. Let's see what it looks like. And then I will record again in the dark tonight and turn it on so we can see the difference in the brightness. At the bottom, you're going to have your power switch. Whew! I can already tell you that's bright. Okay, so here on the back, it looks like we have a button for booster, the CCT panel, the scene. There's a reset button, and then of course here to set your brightness and for light. So if I dial this up, oh my goodness. I want to show you guys. Originally we had it at 50%, which was here. Look at this increased brightness as I continue to crank this all the way up to 100%. Wow. Wow, I'm excited. Again, I went with the one that is really just going to give me that pure white light. I don't need to be filming in different colors. And so that's why I still went with the CB300B specifically, because I only wanted white light. I have turned off all of the lights. I really want to give you a true idea of what this light looks like when I turn it on in 3, 2, 1. What? Yes, all of a sudden it is literally like daylight in my space. And this is literally with just the 300B light turned on. It's mind-blowing every single time. So I'm going to turn it off again, let you see just how dark it is in this space. And just like that, I can film anytime, day or night. This is the NEEWER CB300B, only white light, with the dome attached. Absolutely incredible light. Can't say enough good things about it. This is truly a great find if you are looking only for white light and you don't need a full range of colors.